Quick phrases to learn before Christmas. If you're meeting your spouse's family and they speak a different language, it can be helpful to learn some basic phrases in their language to show respect and make communication easier. Here are a few phrases that you might find useful during the holiday season. Hello and hi. Depending on the language, you may want to learn both formal and informal greetings. So for this language, you want to learn formal, like good morning, grandpa. You'd say, Oyaore kwara. Oyaore kwara. Good morning, grandpa, grandma. Oyaore dana. Oyaore dana. How did you wake, grandma? Ichiew nade, dana. Ichiew nade, dana. Now, informally, you can just say, ber nera, ber kwara, ber dana, or miawach. Miawach. How are you doing? Miawach. Now, you can also learn how to say Merry Christmas or Happy Holiday because these phrases can be used to wish someone well during the holiday season. So you can say, Ibed kod sikuku maber. Ibed kod sikuku maber. Or you can say, Ibed kod chieng nyuol mar Yesu ma ogundo. Ibed kod chieng nyuol mar Yesu ma ogundo. Now, you can always say thank you because it's good to be able to express gratitude when you are in a guest or in someone's home. So you can say, thank you, sister-in-law. Erokamano nyar seme. Erokamano nyar seme. So it's a very common thing to refer to your in-law by their paternal homes instead of their names. So you just say where they come from. Okay? Or erokamano semeji. Thank you, brother-in-law. Erokamano semeji. It's a good idea to learn how to apologize in case you make a mistake or inadvertently cause offense. And you can say, Atimo mos. Atimo mos. I'm sorry for what has happened. Atimo mos. Or mos makende. Mos makende. My sincere apologies. Agoyo ne mos kuom masira no. Agoyo ne mos kuom masira no. Now, the next thing we can talk about is whether someone speaks English. Knowing how to ask if someone speaks your language can be helpful if you get stuck in a conversation and don't know how to continue. So you can say, Be ing'eyo wacho dho ngere. Be ing'eyo wacho dho ngere. Be ing'eyo wacho dho ngere. Or the other way you can say, Awinjo dholuo matin. Awinjo dholuo matin. Or, pok alony e dholuo ahinya. Pok alony e dholuo ahinya. I'm still a novice speaker. Pok alony e dholuo ahinya. Good. So let's look at when you want to, if you don't understand something, someone says it, it's polite to ask them to repeat what they just said. So you can say, Nuona wachno kendo ka iye. Nuona wachno kendo ka iye. Nuona wachno kendo ka iye. You can also say, Nuo gima iwachono. Nuo gima iwachono. Or, Ero nuona kendo. Ero nuona kendo. So if you're struggling to follow a conversation, it's okay to admit that you're having trouble and ask for clarification. So you can say, Chalni winjo otama. Chalni winjo otama. Chalni winjo otama. Or, dak alu gima iwacho maber. Dak alu gima iwacho maber. So why am I unable to follow your conversation? Lastly, you can say, Winjo dholuo pod chanda matin. Winjo dholuo pod chanda matin. Winjo dholuo pod chanda matin. Now remember to be patient and understanding, as learning a new language can be challenging. It's more important to make an effort to communicate and to connect with your spouse's family than to be perfectly fluent. And with that, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. Be well.